Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And I'm on the daily time frame to start with. Because on the daily time frame, if this right here really is the end of a pullback on the daily weekly, which it looks like it could be, then this needs to maintain upward momentum. It needs to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. It cannot break structure to the downside if this right here is the end of a pullback. Now, there is a possibility it turns into more of a complex pattern, like a complex WXY or something like that. And if that is the case, then it will break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. So that's how we know the difference going down to the 1 hour time frame. Because the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend, I am definitely still very bullish. This to me kind of looks like a possible 5 waves up. This to me looks more like a possible 3 waves down because of this big leg down here. I was thinking on Friday this was all going to be like an ABC and it's going to end up going down like this, which is definitely possible too. But either way, I am definitely looking for longs, whether it bounces from one of these trim levels and makes it engulfing up, or whether it goes all the way down, finishes off a wave C, and then goes up. Either way, I don't really care because I'm just going to continue to go long every single chance I get on these sort of time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.